we are going to do a drawing related to spring. As you can see, I have a flower drawn here, and I put a lot of different patterns into it, some bright colors, but I broke it up kind of like a stained glass window. You can do pretty much anything spring related. It's just kind of a simple drawing. So I did a flower there, but here's a butterfly. It's also broken up into different patterns and shapes. You can fill up the background if you want. You don't have to. You can just color that in. But here it is kind of close up so you can see a little better. I drew a little light. And you can color this with crayons, colored pencil, whatever you have at home will work. So I'm first going to start off drawing the flower with just like the center part, the circle. And then I'm going to keep the petals pretty simple. There are lots of different types of flowers you can draw. This one has a little bit more of a kind of a teardrop petal shape. But basically it's another circle or an oval attached with a kind of a triangle on it that you just kind of merge them together. And so I'm going to fill up around the circle with that, and then I'm going to put partial ones, the triangle part, in between each of those petals. You can do a couple of different types of flowers, or you could do something like a butterfly or a bee. I'm going to draw a leaf right now, one with kind of like the serrated edges. But you could do a dragonfly, a different type of flower could be done. You could fill up the page with different types too, which is what I'm going to show you right now after I finish the leaves. If you draw light enough, you should be able to erase anything that you do, so you don't leave a bunch of ghost lines, but when you color them, you should be able to cover them up pretty easily. But you could draw flowers that have oval petals, triangular petals. So you can kind of see this one's a little bit more of an ovalish. This one's a little bit more kind of squarish petals, but they have a little bit wavy ends. These are more of the longer kind of oval petals. And you can kind of fill up your page with those, or you just stick to just one. And then I'm just going to divide up my paper. And I'm just going to use a black colored pencil for that. But you can just draw a little bit darker and separate them that way. You can also possibly use a black marker. Just be careful that it doesn't bleed through. And then I'm going to start coloring in. And I'm just going to show you a part, but I'm going to color this in. I can color in patterns. Just kind of decorate it how I want, and I can fill in the entire page. Or I could just color in the flowers that are on there. It's kind of up to you. I will finish this and I will show you the end product probably when I upload the lessons for next week. I'll just put my picture into the document that you guys see the next assignment on. And then you'll be able to see this finished. And here's the previous one, the one that I already have finished, but I will finish the one that I showed you.